Searching for a cozy place to stay in Baguio?
Escape to the summer capital of the Philippines and experience a home away from home. Just 10 minutes from the vibrant heart of Baguio City, our Transient condo offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and charm. This is where we stayed for 4 days and 3 nights in Baguio. Upon arrival, we had to fill up some forms, give our names, and yung name ng condo owner, and a photocopy of our valid IDs. This is a standard procedure dito sa condo. Kasama din sa package that we availed yung parking. So this is a basement parking and first come first serve. Based on our experience, when we're going out for breakfast, lunch, or kahit hapon kami makabalik, there's always a slot for us to park.
So, here's the key. Binigay siya ni Kuya Guard kanina after namin ma-process lahat ng kailangan for entering the condo unit. Pagi mo. Tingnan. Parang ilang linggo ka dito. For the next few days, we'll be staying at Saige Cozy Pad, making it our home in Baguio. So upon entering, mafe-feel mo talaga yung warm atmosphere. Maybe because yung combination ng warm light and yung wall, which is orange.
So yun, sobrang relaxing talaga dito sa loob ng unit. They even have yung swing chair dito sa balcony. So dun muna ako nagpahinga for a few minutes. So let's run through ulit yung unit para makita natin yung full amenities. So pagpasok ng unit, ang unang makikita is yung kitchen. So here you have your sink, may kasama na rin drinking water, and then above merong lalagyan ng mga utensils like plates, cups. So pwede ka rin talagang kumain dito sa loob. Also, meron din siyang microwave, rice cooker, electric kettle, and then ref.
And ayun, good thing din na may sofa bed. So, doon nagpahinga si Topher for a while. Kasi mahaba yung drive kanina. And here yung table, which is supposed to be our dining table. Pero ginamit namin siyang office. And here yung bedroom, which is yung pinakadulo ng unit. Beside it is yung balcony. Walang aircon kasi mostly wala talagang aircon yung mga bahay dito sa Baguio.
Pagpasok mo dito sa CR, you have your usual amenities. So, meron ditong shampoo, soap, and then you have your slippers, ito sa pambanyo, and then there's also hot and cold water for shower.